This is Mike Wall from Pietroske GM. We're looking at a 2004 Ford F250 Super Duty regular cab plow truck. Brand new tires on this one owner vehicle. Clean vehicle history report. Brakes are almost new as well. Just do a quick walk around. Does have the 5.4 liter V8. Roof marker lights. 7.5 foot Western straight blade plow. It is a used vehicle, but we'll do a quick walk around. See if there are any kinds of nicks or scrapes on there. Driver's side looks pretty good. Do have just some scrapes in the bed. The little kind of nicks you'd expect to find on a used truck. One ding here. Coming around the back. Tailgate looks pretty good. Nice dual exhaust on there. Got a bed mat. Passenger side, some scrapes that have been touched up. They were using it like a work truck. Again, some more spots being touched up on there. But for the most part, very, very nice truck. No frame damage, nothing like that. Take a quick peek on the inside. Got the keyless entry. Got the rubber floor mats. Air, tilt, cruise, CD player. 4-wheel drive. 62,656 on the truck right now. Power windows and locks. Power heated outside mirrors. It's a nice truck, nice and clean on the interior. Headliner's nice and clean. Again, a one owner truck. Got any questions? You can email me. It's mike.wall@pietroske.com, mike.wall@pietroske.com, or 800-236-0224, and just ask for Mike.